everyone, today we're diving into a game changer in American history, the cotton gin, and its impact on the economy in both the North and the South.
So let's start with the North. The cotton gin invented by Eli Whitney in 1793 made it way easier to separate cotton fibers from seeds. This efficiency meant that more cotton would be produced, which was a huge win for the northern manufacturers. With all the extra cotton flowing in, the North had a steady supply of raw materials to turn into products. More products meant more money, which boosted the northern economy.
Now let's shift gears to the South. While the cotton gin sped up production, cotton still had to be picked by hand. This led to a massive increase in the demand for slaves. As cotton production skyrocketed, plantation owners were eager to expand their lands to grow even more cotton. This created a vicious cycle. More cotton meant lower prices, but it also meant that growing cotton became super profitable.
The South became increasingly dependent on slavery to keep up with this booming cotton economy. And with all of that cotton being produced, exports shot up, making the South a key player in the global market.
In a nutshell, the cotton gin transformed the economy of both the regions. The North thrived on manufacturing, while the South became more entrenched in slavery and cotton cultivation. It's a fascinating yet complex part of our history that shaped the nation in so many ways.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more history insights.
This ain't no Squid Games. This is fucking Mr. Lamar's games.
Alright, let's go.
Game over. You got me jumping like